Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to submit your assignments on Seesaw. So the first thing you have to do is to use your Clever badge to get into your Clever dashboard. So here's from one of my students, Ali. Then you go to your virtual learning class and select the Seesaw app. It will send you directly to her Seesaw dashboard. If you are not in your class, then you can hit the button and look for the specific class. So this is Señora Coronel class. For activities, okay, so for science, teachers have created some activities where students can put their work there. For math, so it's really easy. So you just hit the add button and you hit the camera. So because you will be using an iPad, it will be much easier. I am in my laptop and the picture won't be that easy because I'm using my front camera, but I can try and show you. Like, this is my work. Then you using an iPad, you try to take the best picture like that you can, so teachers will be able to see their students' work. So as you see, you take the picture and then you hit the green check and then you select the subject. So in this case it's math. So then you hit the check again and her work is submit in our Seesaw account. So if you have multiple pictures, then you need to take the pictures in advance and then use the upload button, and then you select from the camera, not from the computer, from the camera. And then I have like class homework, and then you select the pictures you want to submit, and then you open, and then again you hit the green button and you can see your student work. Hit the green check and select the subject, and that's how you will be able to submit your student homework. You can submit your work every day, or if you want to leave everything to Friday, that's completely fine to us. So that's pretty much everything. Thank you. Bye.